Hey, what's up? This is Atomic Swift, and welcome back to another one of my videos. As you can see in the description, today I'm just going to be opening all the Pokemon cards that I could find at a local McDonald's here. If you're not aware, these are the Pokemon cards that come in the McDonald's Happy Meal, and people have been buying them like fucking crazy. So, like, I was going to get some the other day. They were all sold out at two different McDonald's that I went to. But last night I found one, and they had 4 left. So I bought 4 Happy Meals, gave the Happy Meals to some homeless people that were near the McDonald's, and kept the Pokemon cards. So we're going to unbox them, open them up today. And I'm just going to show you what cards I got. Okay, so this is the first one. And if you haven't opened one of these, you get a pack of 4 cards, which that's why I don't understand why people are going insane. Just 4 cards. And then I'm not even sure what this is. I think you can make something with it. I think it shows you how to make something, yeah, so you can make that, but I'm not going to do that because it's made with cardboard and it looks like trash, so that's definitely something I'm not going to keep. But so we're going to open the Pokemon, the first pack, show you what cards I got here. And please forgive me for the weird filming. I just don't feel like setting up my camera and my tripod. I'm just using my phone. Okay, so right off the bat, I can see I got a Pika Chu card. Hope it'll be worth something someday. Who knows? That's with the back, just normal Pokemon cards. I think they're supposed to be rare, these ones in the McDonald's packs. I'm not sure. But that's Pika Chu. And I can't believe these Pokemon cards are still so popular. These were... Pokemon started getting big, I think, like when I was graduating high school. It's amazing that kids are still into them. And there's another one, Grookey. Grookey card. Pretty cool. Squirtle, that was one of my favorite Pokemon. Never really got too much into the series, but I knew what a lot of the Pokemon were. Scorbunny. So now we're going to get on to the next one. I think it's all the same cardboard crap in each pack. I do believe so. Yeah. See if you look. It's all the same. Yeah, so if you can see, it's all the same cardboard crap. I don't really care about that. That's all going in the trash. But, the cards, of course, are what we're looking at. So let me just set the camera down real quick. I'm going to open up this next pack. And this is pack 2 of 4. Said I would have bought more, but they ran out of cards. So this one is Chikorita. Never heard of that one. Then we got Froakie. I'm guessing Froakie. Never heard of that one. Then we got Fennekin. I think I saw that one when I played the Pokemon game beat the one on Switch. And then, whoops. And the last one we have is Turtwig. Never heard of that one either. But, so that's pack 2 of 4. Now we're getting to 3 of 4. Oh, look, this one. Actually, this cardboard. Or the cardboard's all the same, but these little games inside it's different in that one. Don't really care. Like I said, the cardboard's going in the trash. Okay, now we're going to open up this one. So far, I haven't got any duplicates. Hopefully, I don't jinx myself and get some duplicates. Okay, so we got Snivy. Never heard of that one. Then we got... Oh, damn it! I curse myself, son of a bitch. Actually, wait a minute. And the backgrounds are different. But yeah, I fucking cursed myself. In the same damn pack, I got fucking 2 of the same thing. Although the back... does look different in both of them. I don't know what that means. Maybe that's going to be a rarer card. I don't know. We can hope, right? Then we got Tepig. Never heard of that one. And, look, there's my duplicate. God damn it. Shit. All right. Just going to organize these ones real quick, put them in a nice pile. Now we're going to get to the last one, which is pack 4 of 4. And I got a duplicate of the same little game inside there. Not really important. You know, this cardboard crap is not important at all. I'm not going to do that. It's stupid. It's for the kids. I don't need to do this shit. Okay. Now, this is the last pack I was able to find. Now we got Sobble. Stop! Never heard of that Pokemon. So that one is done. And then we got Bulbasaur. I've heard of that one. Always liked Bulbasaur. And then we got Chessman. Never heard of that one. Doesn't even look familiar. And then last but not least, we got Mudkip. So, not bad, I guess. Like I said, I'm going to hold on to these cards. Who knows, maybe one of these will be rare. Maybe will be worth some money someday. So you get 4 cards in a pack. So I got 16 cards right here. And I really wish I could have bought some more because I was ready to buy like 10 kids meals just to get the damn cards. But it's all good. So if you like Pokemon, your kids like Pokemon, whatever, go to McDonald's, and this is what's in the kids' meals right now. The Happy Meals is Pokemon cards, a pack of 4. They're supposed to be rare cards, so. But thanks for watching my videos. I know this was a little different than previous videos I've made. And I just thought somebody'd find this interesting. I don't know. If you liked the video, you know, please like the video, leave a comment, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And thanks for all likes, comments, subs, and as always, bye for now.